Before spinning a blower motor to check bearings, always turn off all power, including at the main breaker, so you eliminate electrical and mechanical risk. Begin by confirming the power is off at the main breaker and use a non-contact voltage tester to verify no live voltage is present at motor leads and nearby components. Remove the blower access panel and visually inspect for debris, belt tension, and oiling points while the unit is still fully de-energized. If the motor has removable bearings or lubrication ports, apply the manufacturer-recommended lubricant sparingly and rotate the shaft by hand to feel for roughness or binding. Do not use excessive force. When testing by hand, support the blower wheel so you do not stress the motor shaft or fan blade mounting, and keep fingers and tools away from pinch points. If the motor is belt-driven, check pulley alignment and belt wear because a misaligned belt can mimic bearing noise and cause premature failure. If any uncertainty remains about the condition of bearings or electrical safety, schedule a qualified technician with the correct tools and lockout-tagout procedures to perform a powered test and further diagnostics. The most common mistake is assuming the furnace switch being off cuts all power, which can leave service voltage present, so always de-energize at the main breaker and verify with a tester before touching anything. Another frequent issue is forcing the shaft during a manual spin, which can damage worn bearings and hide intermittent noise, so gently rotate and support the assembly instead. People often overlook belt and pulley problems and jump to replacing the motor, which wastes time and money. So inspect and correct belt alignment and tension before condemning the motor. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and find practical guidance for tasks like blower motor checks. Our site also helps contractors find work and share expertise. And we host an active discussion community where users and professionals exchange tips and experiences.